In today's video, I will walk you through how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. First, go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com and sign into your PayPal account using your email or phone number and password. If required, complete the verification code as well to continue into your account. After signing in, make sure that a bank account or card is already linked to your PayPal account before starting the transfer process. From the main screen, click on the Wallet option located at the top of your dashboard. Inside the Wallet section, you will see your PayPal balance displayed at the top of the page, along with any linked bank accounts or cards listed underneath. If you have not linked a bank account yet, click on Link a Bank or Link a Card near the top section of the screen. In this case, select Link a Bank to continue. After that, follow the steps shown on your screen to connect your bank account to PayPal. Depending on your bank, the process may look slightly different, and you may need to enter your account login information to finish linking the account. Once your bank account has been linked successfully, it will appear in the Wallet section underneath your PayPal balance. Now, to transfer money from PayPal, click on Transfer Funds located just beneath your PayPal balance. On the next screen, you will see the available transfer options. One option allows you to transfer money for free, but the transfer may take between 1 and 3 days to process. If you choose this option, make sure the correct bank account is selected as the destination for the transfer. After confirming the account, click on Next or Transfer Now at the bottom of the screen to continue. If you prefer to receive the money instantly, choose the Instant Transfer option instead. After selecting the Instant Transfer option, choose the bank account where you want the money sent. PayPal will display the transfer fee before you complete the process. The fee for instant transfer is currently 1%, with a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum fee of $15. After reviewing the transfer amount, transfer fee, and selected bank account, click on Next or Transfer at the bottom of the screen to begin the transfer process to your bank account. Once completed, PayPal will process the transfer according to the option you selected. And that's it. That is how you transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. Thanks for watching.